So I checked out virobet.cc to see if it's a real place to gamble or invest online, and here's the honest truth. Virobet.cc markets itself as an online digital finance and casino style platform where you can play games, earn crypto or cash rewards, and withdraw real money. What I found during the testing, in reality, Virobet.cc is highly suspicious. Many users report that the platform promises huge bonus balance and quick wins but then blocks withdrawals unless you pay more money first. Review allege you to verify your account by depositing $100 to $500 before you can take any funds out, and even then withdrawals often fail. Trust and safety sites also point out that the platform lacks proper regulation or licensing from reputable finance authorities, which means there's no consumer protection if something goes wrong. While a few positive user reviews claim smooth gameplay and quick payouts, the prevalence of scam report and withdrawal roadblocks make this very risky. Some users report they could play games without technical issues and feel interface is smooth. It may feel like a legitimate casino at first glance. But the problem, many users report being blocked from withdrawing money unless they deposit more. No licensing or regulation from known financial authorities. Review sites and scam alerts warn that the platform is a high-risk operation. Alleged withdrawal blockage without extra deposit, no official license or regulation. Virobet.cc shows many red flag and scam reports, especially around withdrawing money. It may appear to work at first, but most evidence suggests that you could lose your funds and should stay cautious. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.